Hey guys, I wanted to put together another quick Doodly tutorial. This question actually just popped up in the group and I am going to show you exactly how to do what this guy asked. So the question was, can you change options in the same video? Basically, can you change maybe the hand drawing something in a certain way from one screen to maybe no hand in another screen, all within the same video? And I wanted to try it out myself just to make sure, and as it turns out, you totally can. So the answer is yes. And we're going to do a really quick preview here just to show you. Again, this is the exact same video. And you're about to see I had it set as the default to the glass board with the basic hand drawing in the back. And there you can see that's what it looks like. The next screen, I changed it to the whiteboard. Okay, so you saw the hand drawing in the front, and I just changed it to the chalkboard with no hand. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So you see here in the settings, whatever it is that you want your default settings to be, this is where you do it. So as I said, it was a glass board, here was my hand, it was right-handed, so on. Smart mode, which means, the eraser and the smudging of the finger, okay? If you want to change it, all right, so that again, if you look at the screen settings over here, you will see right here, it says use board and hand style from video settings, which was over here, all right? We're gonna cancel that out. And if you noticed in this next video, it was different. That was the whiteboard setting, and that's because I came over here, I unclicked that, and then I went to whiteboard, I kept this guy's hand, I went to left-handed, all right? And then in the following video, the following screenshot, I wanted to change it up even more, so we went to the chalkboard and no hand. So really, in a nutshell, it's pretty easy. That is how you change out your options in the same Doodly video. All right, so again, default is right here, but for each actual setting, you'll go right here, okay? That's pretty much it. Real quick, we'll go ahead, we'll choose our businesswoman again. I'll make her a little bit larger. All right, and if I want to, it's going to always automatically be set to the default here, but if I want to change it, we will do that. And maybe this time we'll go with a custom, and we'll go with the cartoon hand, and we will apply it. In fact, I'll add another 2 seconds there. That's if you ever want to add some time to the end of your video, you can do that. And just for a little quick extra something, let's change the background. There's something you might not have known how to do. And we're gonna go. All right. So there we go. All right. We'll save it. We'll preview. And we've got our old guy there. All right, glass board, regular hand. Same thing, these are all the default settings. Right here, we went to the the whiteboard with the left hand, the chalkboard with no hand, and now we've got the custom with the cartoon hand and a pencil in a different color background. So there you guys have it. I hope you found this helpful, and I thank you for watching. And until next time, take care.